थोड़ा हैंगर से
Hello, hi. Good evening to all my clients. So this live is going to be on the fancy sarees only. What we have at Jayanagar. The one I'm wearing is a beautiful chiffon saree. A lot of people wanted me to do the fancy episode, so I thought I'll do it over here now. This beautiful jewelry is by Pavanmo Jewellers only. Pavanmo Jewellers, Panjagutta. This is a diamond neck piece with earrings. Hi Savji Garu. So this live is from Jayanagar, Bangalore only. Sushma, I'm good, thank you. Show the saree little back. I'm good, thank you. So I'm wearing a chiffon saree with a nice digital print on that only. So we have lot of varieties over here. We start from 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees to it goes to 20, 30, 40,000, depends on the quality of the saree. So let me show you what we have in the fancy section over here. Come. So now you tell me what exactly you guys want to see. This is a nice blue raw silk saree. We call it Dupion silk. We call it raw silk. Very beautiful sarees. See this saree? We have exclusive sarees like this and dupions and everything. With a nice contrast pallu and a contrast blouse. Price should price? 6,000. This saree is 6,000 rupees only. And I open cherry. Next open చేస్తూ ఉండండి నాకు ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. This is a nice printed saree, chapa saree I can say. It's a nice chapa saree. This is the pallu. This is just 3,120. This is just 3,120. Peach color saree, falling material. This is 2,220 only. This is 2,220. We have many more good varieties. I'm showing you only the starting varieties, ma'am. We have a lot of good varieties over here. Kala Devi Garu, hi. Yellow saree ka rate. Let me see, ma'am. It's a brown color pure silk saree. This is how it is.
that one.
This is a brown pure silk saree. Sorry, raw silk saree only with a contrast blouse. This is contrast pallu and this is the contrast blouse. 6,000 rupees only this one is. Next we have a grey color chinia silk floral printed saree. This is a grey chinia silk floral print saree with a silver border. All these sarees look good when you wear actually. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. This is 7,390. This is 7,390. Pure. This is a pure silk saree, raw silk, or you call it Dupion silk. This is 5,730 rupees only. Look at this zari border with kalamkari print it has. Actual sarees like this. This is how. These are very dignified and sober sarees, ma'am. This is how the saree is. And the live is happening from the Jayanagar showroom, Bangalore. Next I'm going to show you an organza saree. Shamala garu, hi Andy. This is a nice pink and green organza saree. It's a pastel pink with bottle green combination. Look at the color combination. You guys can team up with a pastel pink or a green blouse with this. All over the saree you have thread work. Your Deepti ma'am, your Tassa Georgette with Paitri border, ival chupistan meer konukkoppothe ayipothadi ivala. Okay na? This is around 8 to 9,000. We have lot of good collection actually. Ma'am, we have very good collection over here. Let me show you. A lot of people want to buy and ma'am, it's all too busy. See the sarees. So many. A lot of clients are there, so they're just checking it out. So we have the daily wear sarees also, something like this. People who want to buy the daily wear stuff. $6.99 it is. 1690. This saree is 1690. Like this we have the daily wear sarees. These are the daily wears. Now I'm going to show you the party wears also. We have yellow, we have light green organza. Yes, please don't misunderstand. My staff is trying to sort out everything, but too many customers we have, so everything is just... This is another lovely saree, beautiful linen. This is a red organza saree. Let me open this linen for you. This is linen with sequence work and tissue work. Very beautiful saree this is. This is how the saree is. It's a body hugging material and it's very comfortable to wear. This is a pure linen, Andy. Look at the feel of the fabric and everything. Next we have a grey color organza, Andy. This is a very classic organza with thread work on the saree and a printed border. See how beautiful it is. This is a nice grey color organza with the digital print border. This is around 7,830 under. This is 7,830 with this bundle. And it has a printed blouse. Very elegant collection this is. Next I'm going to show you a work border saree. It's a flowy georgette with organza. this is how it is. With mirror work towards the corner. You have a nice Banarasi brocade blouse with the sari. The price of this sari is 13,390 with this Banarasi blouse. This is the blouse. Ma'am, tussars we have. I'm going to show you everything, ma'am. We have tussars. This is a chiffon with mirror work border. This is a chiffon sari with mirror work border only. This is how the border is. It's a very beautiful border. And this is the blouse. This is the blouse. People want tussars. We have the pure tussars, ma'am. Somebody wanted to check the tussars, right? I have tussars too. This is a pure tussar with pitchwai painting. This is a pure tussar sari with pitchwai painting. We have such elegant saris also over here with this pallu. And this is the blouse. The blouse is very beautiful in this sari. It's a beautiful tussar sari. Hi Supriya. This is how it is. It's a lovely tussar sari. This is also one more tussar sari. Tussars are beautiful, ma'am. See how beautiful tussar it is. This is the tussar sari. Hi, Monica. It's a lovely tussar sari with digital print. It's a pure tussar material, ma'am. You guys can feel the fabric. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. This is 9,430. It's pure tussar. 9,430. Hi Sandhya. Let me know what else you want to see. We have chanderis too. I was showing you guys yesterday. See beautiful chanderis with nice elegant silver borders. This is 6,080 rupees, ma'am. But the fall and the feel of the fabric is really good. Very comfortable and a body hugging material this is. Jewelry is by Pawan Mo Jewellers only. Next we have a beautiful organza sari. This is a beautiful organza with completely thread work. We have such kind of daily wear saris, semi-party wear, party wear and all. This is expensive, ma'am. This is a pure crepe. This is a pure crepe with pure Banarasi border. This is 17,000 rupees because it's a pure crepe, 100 grams crepe it is. People who want to go with simpler chiffon sarees like this, you guys can go 3,630. People who want to go with simple organza stuff, 5,000 rupees only this saree is. Something like this pure chiffons, 2,460. 2,000, not pure. People who want to go with premium silks like this. See, this is a premium silk with Banarasi border. This is pure Katan silk. Excellent saree this is. I don't want to open, ma'am, they get spoiled. This is a pure saree. We have Banarasi sarees also. See, satin Banarasi saree. This is 1790 rupees. 1790 rupees. We have pure Binni crepes like this. We have pure Binni crepes like this. 7,300. This is 7,300. We have much more varieties, ma'am. It's all a busy day. So many varieties. Everybody is checking out because of the crowd we have actually. Hi, ma'am. This is Chinia, ma'am.
Watching your videos, beautiful sarees.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is a pure Chinia silk. It's a very lovely combination of mehendi green with bottle green. 8,780. This is a beautiful tussar which you guys have been seeing, the Vidarbha tussar. This is the Dupion silks with prints only. We have this bandhanis also, affordable ones. These are 3,720 only, fancy bandhanis. We have we have Georgettes also like this. Pure Georgette, sorry, semi-Georgette sarees. 5,530. It's like this, ma'am. చూపించాను మేడం. This is also the chiffon, ma'am. Floral chiffon. Kanpastunda. This is floral chiffon with the zari border. This is chanderi. This is chanderi with thread work. This is a red Georgette saree. This is a red Georgette saree. Ma'am, this is a red Georgette saree. We have a lot of varieties actually. This is a Banarasi pink saree, ma'am. Pink with red border. This is Banarasi pink with red. It is. This is 6,160, ma'am. Banarasi pink is 6,160. This is a lilac color. This is a lilac color saree. It's a Banarasi falling silk. All these are 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 ranges only. The pures are in the range of 10,000, 12,000, ma'am. This is a pure Banarasi tussar. See the pure Banarasi tussar. This is a wine Banarasi Georgette. That's yellow Banarasi Georgette. This is a pure Bini crepe. This is crepe Bini crepe andi. This is a lovely falling material. ये मटेरियल का नुकरा है क्या है मटेरियल का नाम? बनारस का ही बोलते हैं, बनारसी स्टाइल ओनली मैम। हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। दिस इज वन मोर ब्यूटीफुल पीस इन दैट। दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस। दिस इज 4,890। वाइन कलर इज 4,890। This is one more color in this. This is also 4,890. ఇలా పట్టుకోవాలి లైట్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వస్తుంది. This is a light blue color Banarasi Georgette. Very beautiful saree, ma'am. This is. This is one more nice Banarasi saree. We have so many sarees, ma'am. This is also 4,650. We have simpler chiffons like this. 399, 499 range. Pettubadu sarees or gifting sarees you guys can try. These are the semi sarees what we have over here. 950 rupees. Gifting sarees, ma'am. So I think you got an idea what exactly Mugdha has. The pure variety I'll be showing you now. We have handlooms also, ma'am. Chini. Handlooms chupichu. People who want to give 1,000, 2,000 rupees gifting varieties, we have. People who want to buy 10,000, 20,000 ranges, we have. I'm trying to show you the gifting varieties and leave 1,000, 2,000 ones. Like this we have the handlooms. We have the handloom varieties like this. 1,140 rupees this is. 1,140. This is a pink handloom cotton. This is 2,120. So like this we have lot of varieties of sarees only. This is also gifting saree or This is 1140 rupees. So people, we have such kind of cotton sarees. Different Kanchi cottons, Singri cottons, Gadwal cottons, Ikat cottons. We have a lot of cotton varieties. This is 920 rupees Ikat cotton. Venkatgiri cottons, Pochampallis. A lot of cotton varieties are also there. Idem cotton, Anna. This is Pochampalli cotton we have. Plain cotton sarees like this. So you have chiffons, you have chanderis, you have cottons, you have mulls, you have net sarees, you have tussars, you have crepes, you have mini crepes. The one I wore is a pure chiffon saree. So like this we have lot of varieties. So make sure people, you guys come to Mugdha. इनके मन exclusives తెచ్చి చూపిస్తాం ఒకసారి. Tussars. అన్న ఒక్కసారి అది we have such kind of sarees also. 1860 rupees this is. I have one more color. This is also 1860. Chiffon saree. ₹1760 this is. So we have these budget friendly sarees, ma'am. 1760. This is 1760. So now don't say that Mugdha is expensive next time. You have all the varieties over here. You just need to come and choose which varieties that you want to pay. కళ్యాణి మ్యామ్ నేను ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తాను వినీ క్రేప్ అక్కడ ఉన్నాయో లేదో. Whoever likes this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us only. చిన్న చందేరి బ్లూ 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 బ్లూ. We have batik print sarees also, vegetable print sarees. Beautiful indigo saree with batik prints. Handlooms, comfortable sarees. This is my kind. Very comfortable saree it is. 3,750 only. You guys look really decent when you wear such kind of sarees. Like this. Maunika party wear sarees are. Party wear sarees are both sarees. I చూపించేసాను పార్టీ వేర్ సారీస్. I'm trying to get it అండి. Let me just try. Divya ma'am, thank you. Lot of stock is there. You just need to choose which is the style you want to carry. Daily wear 1,000 to 5,000. Reddy rules I'm showing you. I asked my team to get the party wears also. We have prints like this, printed sarees. This is 2,620. We have cotton sarees also. See the vegetable print cotton sarees. The live is happening from Jayanagar, Bangalore only. This is 2,000 rupees. This handloom cotton is 2,000 rupees. We have another color in this, like this. Kota sarees these are. This is an orange color. Riddhi Nair ma'am, thank you so much. I was thinking Mali Tirthnare only. Thank you ma'am. We have 1,000, 2,000 sarees also ma'am, like this. Soft falling materials ma'am. Thank you. Next I'm going to show you the ground floor also. I will connect back in some time so that we'll see the next set of sarees. So stay tuned and thank you so much for your kind love and support, Anil. Thank you. Bye-bye.